We recently went to try the brioche sandwiches from Crunch in Old Spitalfields Market, and honestly guys, this is a must try. Their sandwiches are gourmet inspired using quality ingredients, and they all use this incredible brioche bread which is just so buttery and delicious. First we tried their veggie option with fried oyster mushrooms and miso vegetables. This was a strong start and honestly probably one of my favourites. It was crispy and fresh with all the umami flavours. Then we tried the Michael's chicken, which is like a classic chicken mayo sami but with a gourmet upgrade. This one is their best seller and it was really tasty, although I'd say probably one of my least favourites because the other flavours were just so good. Next, we tried the pork belly blast. We're talking tender pork belly with a peanut hoisin sauce sandwiched between that golden brioche. So tasty and just full of flavour. They rotate their menu each week, but if you see this one, this is a must try. Finally, we tried their patty melt. Truffle beef patties laid with red Leicester cheese, crispy onion marmalade and black truffle mayo. They did not hold back on the truffle here and we're so glad. It's giving gourmet, go for this one if you're after something uber indulgent. And be sure to follow up with the 1,000-layer potatoes and Bloody Mary ketchup. These are just way better than regular chips. Let us know which sandwich you'll be trying.